This thing, this blower is fucking up.
Use this one.
Too far. Okay.
Does it go there?
Yeah, it's okay now.
Can power that one off.
Oh, the heat cement.
No, it's calmness. Once it comes there,
Okay.
it's calmness. Hello, good afternoon. Ifeanyi, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Don't forget to hit the like button as you are coming in. There's the like button here. Something. It's that thing that is burning. Just off the, you see the hair, turn off the hair. You see this thing, the heater, you turn everything full, this one also full. That's what is burning that one. No, turn it off, don't on it. Because you're using this one now. Oh, you're still using that one again?
I'm not using it.
That thing's already burning, it's too hot. I'm not working on anything, oh. I just let me come and say hello to you guys. I'm not working on anything. Habib in freestyle, hello. How are you doing? Good afternoon, sir. Sonny watching from Ghana. Hello, Mr. Sonny. How are you? How are you doing? Welcome to the live, everybody. If you have questions, you can ask me your questions. Hello, sir. Record iPhone call. 19 people watching. Just now. How are you guys doing? If you have questions, you can ask. Where are you streaming from? I'm streaming from Nigeria. I'm streaming from my shop. From my shop, Nigeria. Is this? Ice, which is best, kindness or money? Kindness. Kindness is good. Money too, you can't throw away money, my brother. Money too is very important. So kindness and money work together. You understand? Trojan, you're welcome. You're welcome. Sonny Kalu say, I'm fine. I need to, what? I'm sure you remember me. I need to get the DC power supply before we begin. I can't remember. Sorry. What do you sell? I don't sell anything. Okay, I sell earphones, earpods, chargers. You don't need to wait for DC power supply to start your line training. Bayi, hello Bayi. Why are you pressing this too much, my brother? You want them to ban my this thing? I will ban you. Can you say I'm the captain now? No, I'm not the captain. Sorry. I can't say what you asked me to say. For what? What is the first thing to do as a phone engineer when you open phone? Depending on the problem. What problem? Give me example of a problem you're talking about. I'm from Nigeria in Lagos. All right. No problem. That light is not. Let me power off this. Oh yeah, you can do what you're doing. It's still not. The electricity is very bad. Do you import? I'm a football freestyler. Wow, nice job. Do you import accessories from China? No, not charging. All right, when you have not charging issue on mobile phones, there are a few things to note. You need to know how to use multimeter, okay? All right, so that you can troubleshoot where the problem is coming from. We have the VBOS, the VBOS line, which is the line that carries the power to the main PCB. Since you mentioned charging problem, most phone has charging downboard or subboard. So the charging port is mounted on the subboard. Let me get a subboard, maybe I can explain to you. All right, I got two subboards. I hope you can see what I'm showing you. I have subboards right here. This is where the charging port is. Okay. Okay, no problem, sir. So this is the downboard or the subboard. It has the charging port right on it. It has the charging port right on it. So this charging port is supposed to carry 5 volts. Okay? This charging port is supposed to carry 5 volts. We have 5 pins, all right? One of the pin is the VBOS line. The other one at the extreme end is the GND. Those are the 2 lines that are responsible for charging. But the middle lines are also very important on a subboard. Are you getting what I'm saying? The middle pins. Okay? We call it DM and DP lines. So you need to get your 5 volts here from this charging port. So that's why I'm saying you need to know how to use your multimeter. Use your multimeter to get 5 volts. Once you get 5 volts from here, on the main PCB you get your 5 volts. Then you get a test point. Okay, before you go there, you see this FPC that connects the screen. I mean that connects with the flex. You clip the flex here, goes to the main PCB. So you need to get your 5 volts right here on this FPC. You get your 5 volts here. Then on the main PCB you get your 5 volts as well. Are you getting what I'm saying? But if you don't get your 5 volts right here on this FPC, that means this charging port is not properly installed. Are you getting what I'm saying? So now on the main PCB you will not get 5 volts. So that 5 volts is very important when you are troubleshooting charging issue. Now there are more to this, but if you can join the online training, you have more knowledge about this. Because if I'm explaining to you, you might not understand what I'm saying. Father Joe, welcome, my brother. How are you doing, sir? So you need the 5 volts. The 5 volts is very, very important. Are you getting what I'm saying? So on the main PCB, you should get your 5 volt. There's usually a test point on the main PCB. Okay, that test point on the main PCB will give you 5 volts as well. Are you getting what I'm saying? To give you 5 volts as well. So once you get your 5 volt there, the next thing to check is the VBUS line. VBUS line, right? 5 volts right to the charging IC. You need to check the components around there, capacitors. Are you getting what I'm saying? On that line, you check the line. More details is on my online training. Father Joe, don't delete the video. Don't delete the message. Father Joe, why are you deleting your message now? Eh? You are the boss. Don't delete your message, sir. So keep it there. All right? I appreciate you. Now, the line, I don't know if I should get my laptop now to show you the line, but all right, the line goes to the charging IC. The charging IC converts the 5 volts to 4.2 volts. That's why we call the charging IC DC to DC IC, or we call it charging IC, or you can call it BQ IC. Okay, you can call it BQ IC, you can call it DC to DC IC, because it converts 5 volts to 4.2 volts that can charge your battery. So now, if you don't get the 4.2 volt on the battery terminal, which is also called the VBAT, then you need to go back to your charging IC and do your readings over there. Okay, there's possibility that there are shorted components on that line. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yes. So that's how to troubleshoot, but more details is in my online training. And if you can come for physical training too, is very, very important as well. You learn all these things. So yes, I hope Mr. Harrison, you get what I'm saying, sir. Do you understand what I'm saying? All right, you're welcome. You're welcome. More questions? Yeah. All right. Any more questions? More questions. Any question? What is this called? Anyone in the chat, what is this called? What is the name of this thing right here? What is the name of this? If you know it, type it in the comments. What is the name of this cable? Is it used to flash phones? Is it used for software or hardware? What is the name? What is the name of this cable? Guys, make sure you hit the like button, okay? Hit that like button. What is the name of this cable? What is the name? Nobody knows the name? Nobody's responding. What is the name of this cable? What is the name of this cable? Ay. Are you still using the workstation? This cable. What is the name of this cable? Okay. Yeah, someone said is a boot cable. Is that correct? Are you sure this is a boot cable? What is this called? Boot cable? Can I see your workstation? This is a boot cable. Yes. Mr. Joshua, you are correct, sir. Okay. Now, what do we call this? What do we call these red and black cables? What do we call them? What do we call this cable? Mr. Joshua, you can try again. Let's see if you get it. Mr. Ifeanyi Harrison say probe to a. I want you to say it the proper way. The proper way, sir. Mr. Joshua. Sorry, Mr. Joshua. You're welcome, Mr. Joshua. What is this black? When you want to tell someone, plug this black wire and this red wire. How do you say it? Type it, guys. How do we call? Okay. This. What's the name of this? What's the name of this? It's the same way we say. It's the same thing we use for this. Red wire, black wire. How do you call it? What's the name? This is for the multimeter. This light is just blinking like. Let me switch it off. What are these probes? Ah! You didn't hear anything, right? Probe connector to DC power supply. Yes, you're correct. They are probes. Okay? We have the red probe. Yes, black negative, red positive. We call it red probe, black probe. So these are probes. Okay? They are called probes. You guys are very good. What are you doing on my channel? Eh? You guys are professional phone technician. I should come and learn some work. What do you call this? Where is that? What do you call this? Some technicians don't know what this is. What do you call this thing? Mr. Joshua is doing a very great job, and Mr. Ifeanyi as well. Kudos to you guys. Nice job. What is this called? Is it injection? What do you call this? Can you guys see it very well? What is this called? Come on now, guys. Come on. I want response as fast as possible. Response as quick as possible. What is this called? Nobody knows it. Flux space. Thank you. Mr. Ifeanyi is a very good technician. Needle. Mr. Poker Face is a needle. What do you use it for? Yeah, this is not, everything is not a needle. This is just the needle, and this is the syringe. But the content is what I'm talking about. What is the content of this syringe? What's the content of the syringe? What is the content? What's the content of this syringe? What's the content of it? So, flux paste injector. Thank you so much. That is correct. Now, I have a test. I have a test for you guys. Which one is better? This one or this one? Yeah, boy. Which is the best? This or this? The syringe one or the container one? Oh, Mr. Moore said liquid paste. This is not liquid paste. Sorry. It's called flux. It's
called flux, sir. That's the name. It's called flux. Which is the best? The one in the container or the one in the syringe? So when you give me answer, you say the one in the container. Just say container. And if you want to say this, you tell me is the one in the syringe. Are you sure, Mr. Pokerface? Which one is the best? The syringe or the container? Which one is the first one? Come on now. The container. Mr. Mawanda Mustafa said the container. Okay. And this syringe. Which one? Two people is saying container now. Two people says container. Two people say container. Which one is the best? The syringe or the container? One more answer, then I'll finalize. One more answer, one more answer. We have 13 people watching. How can the 13 people be silent? It's not possible now. Come on. And we have 4 likes as well. 4 likes. Come on, man. These are the basic things that you need to know as technicians. These are the basic things. If you don't know this thing, there's still a long way for you to go. Right? Which is the best? This or this? Okay, can I say the answer now? This is the best. This flux space is the best, not this one. Based on experience. I am waiting, show me. Flux is the best. Thank you, Moha. Yes, the flux space is the best, the one in the syringe. Yes, 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 you're right. Yes, this is the best. If you are still using this, some people still use this to reball IC. Are you kidding me? Pokerface said why? Okay, this you are seeing here, right here. When you use it, it works better than this. All right. For example, if I grab my soda wick, do you guys know what is soda wick? Let me see if I have one. The soda or the soldering wick, however you call it. I'm trying to. Where are the soda? Where are the wicks? This one is finished. I hope you are not using it. Okay. When you apply this, all right, on a soda wick, okay, it absorbs the soda faster. Are you getting what I'm saying? But when you use this, it takes more time. Are you getting me? And the result, please teach us how to regulate your workstation. The result is different. Are you getting what I'm saying, Mr. Harrison? I hear you, okay, but I might not be able to go there today. So this is old school, old type of, but this is the latest one. This works very, very powerful because it helps to absorb the wick. I get what I'm saying, and it gives the soda a very perfect soda, especially the balls. We call something BGA, ball grid arrays. Ball grid arrays. Okay, when you use this, everything looks like, it helps your work. It makes the work easier and clean and neat. So it's very, very okay. And it prevents sodas from sticking together. Are you getting what I'm saying? It has a lot of, so you need to use it to understand the difference. Okay, are you guys hearing me? So that is that. So that will be fine. All right, what is this? What is this thing here? What is it called? What is it called? That green one and this one. What is it called? What is the name? What is this called? Not just this one, right? Everything. What is it called? A microscope. Yes, it is called a microscope. So now, what is the work of a microscope? What is the work of a microscope? What is the work? Talk to me, guys. Come on, man. Talk to me. These are the tools we use every day. So what is the purpose? What is the use of this microscope? Someone said it's a microscope. Yes, you are correct. What is the use of the microscope? What is it used for? That's my question. What is the microscope used for in mobile phone repair? What is it used for? Izu Money. How are you, brother? Welcome to the stream. What is this thing used for? What is it used for? The microscope. What is the microscope used for? If you want to really go to Google and Google it, you are fine. You can go to Google. No problem, no problem. To watch and research about tiny species. To bring up smile things. You mean small things? Yes, you are correct. To magnify objects like PCB. Mr. Ifai and Mr. This other guy. You guys are making my head. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. I love it. I love the response. Yes. I love the response. We have tiny components on the PCB. So this makes them big. In other words, it magnifies them. It makes them more bigger. So that when you're working on them, you can see everything clearly. This is very important as a technician to get. Tools is very important. Microscope is very important. Multimeter is very important. I get what I'm saying. For those that does not know how, say Google, please. Google. So yeah, this is a mobile PCB, and as I'm showing you guys, it's difficult for you to see everything I'm showing you right here on the camera. You can see it's blurry, it's tiny most of the time, you know. But if you want it to be big, let me show you what it means. I'm going to put it on the microscope and show you from the... Let me show you how it looks like, okay? This is the PCB. Okay, this is the PCB. You can see we have a lot of components around the ICs, the box, right? We have the box around the power IC section. Yeah, but look at how it looks like on the microscope. I'm going to show you now. Okay, wait, let me show you from the back side. Let me show you this side. Okay, let me show you this side on the microscope. Now, let me try and make it a bit... Now, that is how it looks like on the microscope. They look very big. And if I want it to go more bigger, I can as well zoom in. You see that, guys? You see that? So it is very, very important. As you can see, you can zoom it more deeper. I'm going to, you see that? Everything becomes more big. You see that? More big. Very, very big. Are you guys seeing it? So that's the work of a microscope. That's the work of this microscope right here. Okay? So it magnifies, it makes it big. So that's what it is used for. I hope you guys understand. So anytime you come to this channel, you should learn one thing or the other, right? Hey, this thing doesn't want to do. Okay, so the microscope is very important in this line of work. Although it is very expensive, but if you can try as much as possible for micro soldering. Yes, for micro soldering, yes. Show the lens. That's the black section, right? Backlight section. Yeah, that's the backlight section. That's the backlight section. You are very smart, my brother, Mr. Izu Money. You are very smart. That's a very nice observation right there. Okay, so that's the work of a microscope. A microscope zooms in. All right, it zooms in the component on the mobile PCB. That's the work of the microscope. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So when you have a PCB, you want to work on it, you need a microscope to make and when you start using this, you find it difficult to use your normal eyes to work on the PCB because they will look extremely small. Okay, so yeah. So this is a microscope. This is a multimeter. My favorite one. It's a multimeter. We have a lot of equipment for troubleshooting. Okay. You have the DC power supply. Do you have lists of all the components on phone PCB name and function? Do you have lists of all the components on phone PCB name and function? Yes. I don't have it but you can get it on your schematic diagram. Once you get a schematic diagram, you might not see the capacitor. You might not see them say, okay, this is a capacitor, this is how it looks like. No. But the most important ones, the ICs will be displayed and they will tell you, okay, this is eMMC, this is a power IC. All right. My old microscope. I'm using it too. I want to carry it. I'm coming to that microscope. You see, a student is using it. That is my old microscope. Very, 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 very nice microscope. I can't sell it, my brother. It's very precious. Can you send your number once, learn about cell phone repair? My numbers is on the BIOS. My number is on the bio. Check the bio. You get my number. So that is my old microscope, and I still need more microscopes. The YCS Young one is very costly, right? Yes, it's very costly. It's very costly. But if you get a good supplier, you should get it at lesser rate. But it's not cheap. No microscope is cheap except for Cuckoo. Probably you can get the Cuckoo microscope. I think that one is cheaper. Does it show the connection lines? Connection lines. Yeah. The schematic diagram shows connection lines. It shows connection lines. How much is it? I want to get one. Yeah, no, I can't tell you the price. What do I need to do? Because when I am working on tiny objects, my hands began to shake. What do I need to do? Okay, when you are working on tiny components, first of all, you need to get a microscope. Okay, then you do more of practice. When you do more of practice, you gain your confidence. You know, when you are not confident in something, that's when you start to shiver, or you start to shake. You understand, sir? So what you need to do is do a lot of those micro soldering jobs. It's not easy. I do understand what you are saying. You understand? You need to be focused. You need training. You need to train your fingers, your hands. You need to train it. Once you train it, you'll be fine. Trust me. More likes, guys. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. All right, hit the like button. Your hands are shivering because you are afraid. So you need to get the confidence. You need to gain the confidence. You need to gain the confidence. That's just it. That's just it. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Come on, man. Come on, guys. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Questions? More questions? What is this for? What is this? Can someone guess this name? What is this? What is this? What is this? This is a very important tool. This is a very important tool. It is a very, very important tool in mobile phone repair. What is the name? What is the name? What is the name? SoTap. What is SoTap? I want the real name. The name that everybody can understand. So, Kuku are not good in terms of some product they produce. Okay, I understand, sir. No problem, sir. God bless you. Heat resistant tape. Heat resistant tape. Heat resistant tape. Now, according to the word, heat resistant tape, it helps you resist heat. There are some spots on the mobile PCB that you want to work on. For example, let me give you an example, because some technicians don't know all these things, and we need to let them know, because these are simple things. All right. Anyway, if you want to join my online training, it's very much available. Okay. Let me switch the camera. Now, for example, if you have, we have the CPU, we have the EMMC. Yes, we have the EMMC and the RAM integrated together. All right. For example, if you are working on this power IC, okay, if you are working on this power IC, you need to, if you don't want the heat to come close to this CPU, okay, all you need to do is to get this tape. It's called heat resistant tape. Now, when you put the tape right here, when you put the tape right here, when you bring your nozzle, and you are blowing here, you are blowing here. You know, most of the time when you are using a microscope, you need to bend your hand because you can't go because of this, all this stuff. So now you are going to you focus your hot air station on this IC, and you move around. The heat that is coming is, you see, this is the direction. It's coming here. At the same time, it's going to affect this chip right here. So now when you are blowing, intending to reflow or to remove the IC, the heat comes right here. Okay. So now this tape, once you apply the tape right here and you keep working on the IC, it prevents the temperature and the air coming out from the nozzle to heat the CPU. I get what I'm saying. So that's how it works. So it does not allow the heat. It doesn't mean that the heat will not be there, but it reduces the effect of the heat on the CPU. So you are blowing right here. Heat resistant tape will prevent it from affecting this chip here. So it is very important as a technician to have this thing in your office. If you don't have this thing, my brother, you are taking a lot of risks. I get what I'm saying. You are taking lots of risk. And it doesn't just work only there. There are some FPCs. For example, look at this. Let me show you. For example, this FPC is right here. It has plastics. It has plastic on it. Let me zoom in. You see, this is the plastic. These are the connectivities. You understand? So if you are working on this CPU and this one is here, you need to cover up this guy. You need to cover up this guy right here so that the heat will not melt it. So heat resistant tape is very, very important in this line of work. I hope everyone understand what I'm trying to explain. Okay? Let me quickly read the comments. I will come January 1st or 2nd week. Okay. Mastery tape. it's better you call it resistant tape. Okay, it's very, that's the proper word for it. Pepper tape. This is my brother. Pepper tape. Please hit the like button. Hit the like button. Sir, I need those tools of yours. I don't have supplier. Please. How to use multimeter. Hey, my brother. If you want to know how to use multimeter, it's for free. For free. Go to my YouTube page. I have five series of teaching. 5 series of teaching on how to use multimeter. 5 series. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. 5 videos for free for you, for every technician that wants to know. So go to my YouTube, and search for how to use multimeter, or you go to my playlist. Once you go to my playlist, you will see everything there. So I made everything as one playlist. So you start from part 1, you go to part 2, you go to part 3, you go to part 4, part 5. I mean, you got that. I love you. I love you too, man. Thank you so much. So go and learn how to use multimeter. It's very important as a technician to know how to use multimeter. Please. It's very, very important. All right? Many people are watching, but no likes. No likes. Nobody's liking. I will go offline now. Because I don't have work to do. That's why I'm here. Say I. Gbadamosi Favor. Hello, brother. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for joining. Good afternoon, Mr. Oche Mobile Tech. How are you doing, my brother? People are watching, but no likes. Hey, my battery is low. My battery is very low. People are watching, but no likes. Why? Why? What is this called? You have a lot of stuff right here, man. You called my name well. Yes, sir. I want to learn. I am fine. How is work going? Work is going well. Thank you so much. We have this. What is this called anyway? Let me give you a clue. Let me give you a clue. Look at the clue right here. This is the clue right there. What is this called? That is soldering paste. Thank you. Soldering paste. And this one is called what? This one is called what? Okay, maybe some people don't see very well. Standing something comes out of this. That is lead. Solder wire, correct? This guy, Gbadamosi Favor says solder wire. Yes, you call it solder wire. You can call it solder lead. You can also call it tin. T-I-N, tin. This can also be called tin. This also can be called tin. I guess this is the first time most of you will hear this, all right? T-I-N. T-I-N. Tin. We also call it tin, okay? You can say liquid lead. Okay, yeah. You have different names for them, all right? So now, what's the difference between this one and this one? What is the difference? This is very important. This is very important. So what is the difference between these two things I'm holding right here? What's the difference? Why calling it tin? Solder wire. What is this? What's the difference between this one and this one? What's the difference? This is the wire, right? And this is not a wire. It's like a paste. I see the Bolly PPD paste. Yeah, MD Naushad. Thank you for joining in. How are you, sir? Most technicians don't know the difference of these things. All right, this melts under Uh, this melts under a very minimal heat temperature, especially when it's up to 183 degrees. According to what is there. I'm Indian, I'm a technician. Oh, you're a technician. Nice. Nice, brother. Nice, 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 nice. How are you, Bai? Ticket. How are you, Bai? Ticket. Ticket. Okay. 180 degrees, and this is normal head, and this is very effective. Now, when you want to remove the shield on the mobile PCB, you apply this. It helps it to. I'm already giving a lot away on this live video. I'm already giving a lot of informations. I'm already giving a lot of informations on this my live video. All right, this melts under 183 183 degree centigrade or Celsius temperature. It melts. All right, when your sodium ion gets to that, or your hottest station gets to this temperature, this can melt. All right, and this one also is very important. It has its functions, and this has its functions as well. Are you getting what I'm saying? Electricity is gone. No electricity, my brother. No electricity. What? Are you done with what you're doing?
Yes.
No electricity, and my battery is also getting low. So it is very important that you have this, you have this. So you also have this type, you have the 138 degrees as well. This is it right here. 138 degrees. I don't know if you guys can see it from there. 138 degrees. It's very, very important. You have this, you have this, you have this. Okay? So, should I stop, brother? You are CPU reballing? Yes, yes. I do CPU reballing. I do CPU reballing. IC reballing. That's what I do. Double decker reballing. Yes, sir. I'm watching from Nigeria. Much love, my colleague. Yes, my brother. Much love, brother. This is called what? UV curing glue. This one is also very important, especially those that do a lot of reballing, and you have peeled pads, peeled pads or peeled work surface. This is very, very important. Now that I want to end the stream, a lot of people are coming in. Hey, ewo. Voila. Let me plug charger to this my phone. Let me plug a charger. Let me plug a charger. Hey, 21 people. Hey, banner. Let me use this girl's power bank. I hope it doesn't explode. So guys, make sure you hit the like button. Hit the like button, okay? The curing oil is very, very important when you are reballing or when you are doing jumpers. Jumper from from point A to point B. Use the curing oil, and you don't just use only this one. It comes with its friend. Who knows the friend? Who knows the friend to this curing oil? What's the name of the friend? Type it right here. Type it in the comments. Type it right now. What's the friend? What's the name of the friend? So if you use this, you can't do without using the other tool. What's the friend? What's the name of the friend? I'm about to bring it. Vivo FRP remove for ISP pin out easy G-tag. I don't do that, bro. I don't do that. I don't do that, my brother. So do you do that, Mr. MD? Mr. MD Naushad? Benzene. No. Benzene is not the second, it's not the friend. When you apply this, you need something to make it dry. Okay, I'm giving you the expo. Okay, hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. When you use this on mobile PCB and you want to dry it, do you take it to the sun? You take it to the sunlight to dry, or you use the rework station to dry. What do you use to dry this? What do you use to dry this thing? Nobody knows. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. We have, the name is called UV light. This is it. UV light. Blue light. Yes. Yes, yes. UV glue. This is UV glue. This is UV light. So when you apply this, you use this to dry it up. UV glue, curing glue. UV curing glue, because those people that make nails also have UV glue. So this one is UV curing glue, and this is UV light. So when you use this one to dry it up. Without this one, it will not dry. If you blow it, it will not dry. So you need this tool right here to dry it. These are the tools as a technician you need to have. You see that? The light comes. Okay, let me start from here. We have the switch on or off button right here. And right here we have the delay. If you want it to be delayed for 60 seconds, 30 seconds, 10 seconds, you use this button right here. Okay? Now, when you this is where the cable goes in for power. So once you plug the C-type cable right in here, you press the power button and it shows light. Okay? I'm going to practicalize it now, but it cannot affect you. Okay? So you think that some people might say, it's going to affect. It's not going to affect you. I'm also not going to look at it, because it's not good for you to look into the light. All right? It's not good. It can damage your eyesight. So you plug the cable like this, then you press the power button and the light comes out of here. And this light is very hot. It has its own heat coming out from this light. Are you getting what I'm saying? So that's how it works. There is heat plus the light. That is what dries this guy. That is what dries the UV glue. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. Watching from Ghana, greatest institute on YouTube. I salute, boss. Osman, my student. I know my students. Usman, how are you, sir? Welcome to the live, my brother. So without this light, this thing cannot dry up. So those are the tools that are very, very important. As you are coming in, please hit the like button, okay? So that YouTube can share this video to many people. You really explain well. That's my job, my brother. That is my job. That's my talent. Let me say it's my talent. I know how to explain well. Thank you so much. So it is very important as a technician to have all these small tools. Okay? It makes your job looks professional, and it makes it to be good. Yeah. So yeah, that is it. So we have many other tools that we use in mobile phone repair, but for today, let me just rest. I've shown you a lot. Another tools. Okay, these are very, very important tools that you need to get as a technician. What is coming out from this thing? What came out from that thing? I'll find it later. So important tools, these are the tools that are very, very important in mobile phone repair. So when you work with these tools, your life is easy repair. So none of these things are are useless. Everything has their function, their purpose, everything. So it's important as a technician to spend your money not on girls, not on girls. You buy tools. I hope you understand. So yes, that's how it is. Any question? Any question? Question? Any question, guys? It's almost 1 hour. I'm going to probably end the live in less than 4 minutes. Less than 4 minutes. Less than 4 minutes. So if you have questions, you can ask. Thank you for the likes. Hit the like button, okay? Hit the like button. But Moses Favor says, what do you repair most? Phones. Phone problems. That's what I repair most. Especially short circuits. Short circuit is one of the things I repaired most. So yes, I have it here. That's good, Mr. Izu money. That's very good. To those that hit the like button, thank you so much. We have less than 3 minutes to stop the live. IC. Yes, I do IC work, reballing, you know. Yes. That's the importance of this thing now. If you buy microscope, you don't know how to do IC work. Why do you buy this? Do you understand what I'm saying, sir? So you need, when you have this, you can go more into IC work. Reballing, micro soldering, doing jumpers. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. So you can't just buy this and use it as a figure, as decoration in your shop. You need to know how to use it. So it's used for micro soldering, anything micro. How much is your thermal camera? My brother, I can't tell you how much is the thermal camera. Go online and search for the thermal camera. The prices are there. The prices are there. The prices varies. It varies per the quality. Okay? But thank you for asking the question anyway. Less than 2 minutes. So let me use these 2 minutes to advertise my online training. So if you are interested to join the online training, please DM us in the number in the description, and we'll talk on how we are going to add you into the group. All right, irrespective of the country that you are. So once you are interested in the online training, please DM me, and we'll talk on how you go about registration of the online and how you can join and how you can start immediately. Our online training, you start immediately. You don't need to wait for next month or next week or tomorrow. You join as you register, you join immediately. And it's very important. It's not just for people who are into cell phone repairs. It's for people who are already into cell phone repairs, people who are professionals as well. You can buy the online course. I hope you guys get what I'm saying. So it is affordable, it's not expensive, and you will enjoy it. There are a lot of secrets that are there. Uncle, what do I do if my cat swims on my PC while I'm mopping the floor while driving the sink? Just do whatever you want to do, my brother. Do whatever comes to your mind to do, no problem. So this is a goodbye to everybody. Thank you so much for joining the live from beginning to the end. I hope you've gained something in this live video. All right, I'm going to see you again in another live video. Peace. As I'm ending the live, a lot of people are still joining. Hey, Will, these people not allow me to go. Don't mind that guy. He wants to stress me with his question. Don't mind the guy. He wants to stress me with his question. Go and ask ChatGPT. Go and ask Google. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. For those that are just joining, you have missed a lot. You can just rewind the video and watch from the beginning. It's a very nice time with all the technicians. All right. See you, everybody. Goodbye. I have to go.